Hey everybody, it's Wednesday and we're back. We're here with Kevin Ballinger from Fairfield, Ohio. How old are you?
I'm 49.
And how long you been building?
I've been building for probably 20 years.
What got you started?
What got me started is actually I was kind of looking for a club and I seen a little thing in Johnny's Toys flyer that said Cincinnati Auto Replicas. So I called one of the people and asked when the next meeting was. Showed up at the meeting and enjoyed it. Looked around, a bunch of nice people, and joined the club. So that was that.
All right. What's your favorite subject to build?
I would probably have to say semi trucks.
Okay.
I've always liked them. Always thought they were pretty cool. So that's what got me into them.
How long on average it take you to build one?
It'd take me 2 weeks or several months.
Okay. You got the little wheel there. You get to spin and answer 4 questions.
Let's
So
see.
give her a
What's
spin.
the lucky number? Lucky number three.
Do you enter shows, and what do you like most about shows and contests?
I have interest in shows. I don't enter a lot of shows. What I like about the shows the most is looking at all the different builds, meeting new people, learning new tips and tricks.
Okay. Spin again.
And the next number is
9. Okay. This is kind of subjective. This question.
Okay.
What is your least favorite brand and why? I'm not trying to knock anybody, but some people hate AMT, and I don't really care personally, but
You know what? I guess I really don't.
Or which brand do you think is the hardest to build? Either by directions or just how the kit goes together?
Probably the hardest kit I had was Mobius. Because the instructions weren't very good. It was the Lone Star kit.
okay.
Okay.
Spin again. 10. Tool you find most valuable in building?
Probably the tool that I find most valuable in building would probably be patience. Because you got to have some patience to put them together. You got to have patience to let the paint dry. Glue dry. That's probably the most valuable tool.
Okay. That was 3, right?
Yeah.
One more. 8. What is your favorite model brand and why?
I don't really have a favorite, but if I had to pick one, probably maybe Revell,
Okay.
because they do a lot of the truck kits. And second one, probably AMT for truck kits too.
Okay. All right. What'd you bring here with you?
Well, I got a Chevy Bison. It is 1/32 scale. The color is copper. The chassis is a dark gray metallic. It is a 1/32 kit. The Kenworth K100 is a Revell kit. It has opening doors. I can remove the roof. Hey, you can open it. It has a little bit of. I did do it. I did put a little wood floor in it. The color is dupla color. It is a dark graphite gray. The Mustang is a silver base with a tangerine orange color by House of Colors. It was actually a group build that I did for Bill's Model Bench. It's a drag car. Did a little bit of. It's basically built box stock except for the wheels and some of the chassis components and the roll bars in the back. And that's about it.
Okay. And we got you a shirt here. And I survived Wacky Wednesday shirt.
I appreciate it.
And there you go. Thank you for coming.
STS decals are the best.
Thank you.
We try.
Even though I don't have any STS decals on my kits yet, I will.
It's all right. We'll get there.